Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 10 lines on Independence Day speech. Let's learn about Independence Day speech. First line. Good morning everyone. Second line. My name is Ganga. Third line. Today is Independence Day. Fourth line. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Fifth line. It is a national festival of India. Sixth line. It is celebrated on 15th August. Seventh line. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for our country. Eighth line. We should always respect their sacrifices. Ninth line. Let us promise to be good citizens and make India strong. Tenth line. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.